video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the y-intercept of functions very, very easily. So when we say y-intercept, graphically, we mean where does the graph touch the y-intercept? Where does it exactly intersect the y-axis? So here we have the x-axis and the y-axis. If I had the expression, I don't know, x minus 2, it would look something like this. And the y-intercept would be this little point over here, where it intersects the y-axis. So when we go back to this original question, we are given f of x, g of x, and h of x. F of x and g of x, one's a quadratic, one is a absolute value function, and the third is a function written as a table. We don't exactly know what type of function this is, just by looking at it, but we can assume it's a function because the problem says so. So the question asks, which of the following have the same y-intercept? So I'm just going to show you how to find the y-intercept for all three functions. And the very easiest way, without having a graph in front of you, is just by substituting x for 0. So when we're looking for y-intercept, we're looking for when x is equal to 0. When we're looking for x-intercept, we're looking for when y is equal to 0. And you can make sense of that by just looking at the graph we have drawn over here. So moving on, so we have first the intercept of f of x, or f of 0 rather, because we're replacing x for 0. So when we substitute that, we are left with this expression, and we get, so 0 plus 2 is 2, the absolute value of 2 is 2 plus 7 equals to negative 2 plus 7 is equal to 5. So f of 0 is equal to 5. Next, we're going to do the same with g of x. So g of 0 is equal to 0 minus 3 squared minus 4. That's equal to negative 3 squared minus 4 equal to 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. Which means that g of 0 is equal to 5. Now, technically speaking, in many problems, you'd be able to stop right here because we know f and g have the same y-intercept. So, hey, that would just make it choice 1. But there is a choice here. Or actually, I guess you can choose it. It is choice 1. Sorry, I thought this last choice said the functions all have the same y-intercepts. And in that case, we would have to confirm by finding h of x, which we will actually right now. So h of x, h of 0 is equal to, we don't have an expression, so we actually cannot use the old technique. However, this is a lot easier because I'm just going to find where x is equal to 0, which is here. And we find that h of x correspondingly is equal to negative 3. So h of 0 is equal to negative 3, which is not 5 that we got, which is not the 5 we got for f of 0 and g of 0. So that further confirms that choice 1 is the correct answer. Cool.